Hi everyone, it's a new week and I have a new video for you. So today we are going to paint this huge buffet. As you can see, the top of this piece is in a pretty rough shape. The finish is chipping off, as well the finish on the baseboard. So before doing any further actions, I will start by removing this chipping finish. I put some 240 grit sandpaper on my sander and I removed as much of the chipping finish as I could. Then I primed everything with my roller and with the brush. So my primer is nice and dry. I applied 3 coats, guys, because in some places I was able to sand through the original finish and I had some bleed through, so I just applied 3 coats to make sure that I won't have any surprises. So now it's finally time to do some little prep work and just start painting. I'm gonna take some 240 grit sandpaper and I will just slightly go over the surface just to make sure that everything is very nice and smooth. So as my color, I'm gonna use African Beige by Lignocolor. This is one of the newest color and I want to try something different this time. So I never applied paint with a roller, and because this surface is pretty big, at least the top and the sides, I just want to give it a try. If it works, it's okay. If not, it's also okay. One more thing about applying paint with the roller, guys, you should take like a better quality, not very cheap roller. So this one is like medium quality, not the best, but as I said, I never did this, so let's try. Because I'm doing this with the roller, I'm gonna just mist a little bit my roller and also the surface. Okay, so finger crossed, and let's see how this works and if this works. This is the question. And the coverage is pretty good, so yeah, it's okay, it works. I'm applying my paint in light coats, so just paying attention to all the edges, because as you can see, this the doors of this piece are pretty ornate, so I'm making sure that I don't have any drips or build-ups. I'm trying to apply everything in long and smooth strokes, so that I will get a nice and smooth finish. And I also misted my surface before applying the paint. I already have 3 coats of paint on this buffet, guys, and sometimes with the lighter colors you need to take into account the fact that you will have to put multiple coats. So I will lightly sand with some 240 grit sandpaper before applying my last coat of paint. And I also grabbed this sanding pad for the doors, where I have like a lot of trim, and this is like very soft, and the grit is very fine, and that way I made sure that I won't remove any paint from my piece. Once my last coat of paint was nice and dry, I let it dry overnight. It was time to apply some wax for protection. I also removed all the hardware, including the hinges, and I cleaned them very good, and then I sprayed them with some matte hardware spray. And this is the one I'm using. Now let's see one more time how this piece was looking before, and I also removed the legs because they were too outdated. This piece looks so beautiful now, so modern, so classy. I really like it. So if you guys like it, please give me some thumbs up and leave me a comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.